Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm product review for last month, which was May. So I have all the products in the box in front of me, and I have been using them for the whole month and testing them out, and I do have my thoughts on them. So if you want to see what I thought of last month's box, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm supposed to get my Boxy Luxe in like 2 days on Thursday, so my unboxing should be up on Monday, hopefully. But the theme for last month's box was Make Waves. It was beach themed, even though last month was super cold in New Jersey. But I ended up really loving this box, so I can't wait to talk about it. So we're gonna go from the card here. The first one is from Glam Glow, which is right here. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. It claims, gentle but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleans the skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extracts bubble up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. All skin types approved. This retails for $28. So I've never tried a Glam Glow product in my life, but I've always been so interested in the brand, and I really like this. I have been using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost cleanser because it's water-based, and I find a lot of cleansers strip my skin. Like, I wash my face and it ends up feeling tight and dry, like any moisture that was in my skin was just stripped. So I was nervous this was going to do the same thing because I've had trouble finding a cleanser that really doesn't strip my skin but cleans it. I love this. So it does not strip my skin at all. I find that my skin feels just as hydrated as before I cleaned my skin when I use this. I feel like a little bit goes a long way, especially because I use a Foreo. So this bottle will last me forever. I'm using it every day, twice a day, and I'm only like down this much. So I have all this bottle to go. So originally I thought $28 was like expensive, but actually you could get so many uses out of this product. It is huge, and I really like it. I feel like my skin does look super clean afterward. Like, I feel super refreshed and awesome. I stopped using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost completely because this just replaced it, not because I was testing it, but just because I really think it's a great product. So I was super excited for that, and it makes me want to try more Glam Glow products. I definitely feel like I would repurchase this when I run out of this, which is something I don't typically say, but I don't know, I feel like when I find good skincare products, like, I will repurchase them because it's so difficult for me to find products that don't strip my skin. So I have really been loving this. This is a thumbs up for me. And if you didn't get this in the box and were curious about it, I definitely think it's worth the money. Alright, the next thing in the box is from Alomar Cosmetics. This is their Colorete Blush Trio. I have the shade Fair Light. So this says, get your blush on with your new Alomar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks, this buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. So mine comes with these 3 shades here. We have Castaway, Paraíso, and Scorcher, and I genuinely love this blush palette so much. I actually really should have used it today. I don't know what I was thinking using something else, but whatever. I have been using this so often. Pretty much since I got this, I've just been using this. My favorite shades by far are Paraíso and Scorcher, but I have learned to love Castaway. I thought it was going to be a little too orange for me, but honestly, it's so beautiful. This formula is amazing. These two definitely have a sheen to them. You can kind of see in the pan here, they have a little sheeniness. This one doesn't, but I don't feel like this is a matte blush. This is more of a satin. These are definitely shimmery blushes. This is a satin. And I love these blushes. Now, they say they're highly pigmented. I don't think they're too pigmented though. I feel like it is a medium pigmentation, like a buildable pigmentation. I love going in with this with a light hand. I can definitely build this up to be higher, but I don't feel like I get too much on the brush all at once. I feel like some blushes are too pigmented where you get too much and you don't know what to do with it. This is the perfect amount of pigmentation to where you can dip your brush in, tap it off really quickly, and then just get a flawless blush application. This really just glides over the skin, brings life back to it. This is such an amazing formula, and I'm not a blush person. Like, it took me a lot to get into blushes, but I have been reaching for this literally since I opened it. This is so awesome, so unique. If they extend their shade range, I will definitely pick it up, and I'm not a blush person, but this has changed my mind. I also really love that it comes with a mirror here, and this retails for $22, so this is a pretty good price for 3 blushes. I just really am so impressed with Alomar. Every time they come in the box, like, I'm just like, wow, this brand is amazing. Like, I want to buy stuff from it, and like, I still really do, but Alomar really is making a name for itself. These are quality products. This is my favorite thing we got in the box this month. I love this so much, and I think the packaging is just so incredibly cute. So this is totally worth it. If you didn't get this, if you got the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick and you were thinking about this, this is so worth it. And it comes in 3 shades, light, medium, fair light, and medium deep. And honestly, they're all beautiful. So that's just my thoughts on that. I can't rave about that enough. All right, next in the box here was the Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. It says, your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid shadow can be swiped over for full coverage luster, blended out for a sheer sparkle, or applied all over any eyeshadow as a topper. This retails for $22. I have the shade... Wow, it'd be cool if it had the shade name on it. I really thought it did. I think I have the shade Cupid, but it doesn't say anywhere on the bottle. I have the purple one. There was like a white looking one, a champagne one, and then there was this one. So I don't agree with their claims that this can be like high pigment, because this is super awesome, super pretty, super metallically purple in the tube, but as soon as you apply it to the lids, it shears itself out pretty quickly. Like, I feel like if you put this over a purple eyeshadow, this would look incredible, but I just put some bronzer in my crease one day and I wore this, and like, it felt almost heavy if I didn't blend it out, so I blended it out, and the entire color, like all the pigment went away and just left a whole bunch of gold sparkles, which is beautiful on its own, don't get me wrong, but they should not market this as a cream eyeshadow because it really does not keep its pigment well. I find that the Supernova shadows from ColourPop do way better than this, and I don't know, I feel like they last better. This did crease a little bit and kind of look a little chunky after a while. It wasn't my favorite product, and I don't think, like, I personally haven't been reaching to use it, even though I've been wearing a lot of purple this month. So personally, I don't know if I would recommend this. The gold shimmer in it is really pretty when you blend it out. Like, it could really bring a look from 0 to 10. So if you have it, like, you can definitely get some use out of it. But I don't think I would go out of my way to repurchase this product. And it's one of the few times I've, like, gotten products from Ciate. So I don't know. This was just kind of a miss for me. I wish this had had a lot more pigment. Okay, next in the box is from Dose of Colors. I was so excited about this. This is the Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I got the shade Bittersweet. So it says, your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. This retails for $18. I have never tried a Dose of Colors lipstick. I wanted to, I think 2 years ago. It was on like Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty, but as soon as I like woke up to buy it, they were all sold out, which was so sad. So this is the shade Bittersweet, which is very bright for me, but I've tried it on my lips and I wore it one time and it's so pretty. Like, it's so vibrant. I'm gonna put this on the back of my hand for you. Like, that is the perfect summer color. I don't feel like it makes my lips look too, not my lips. I don't feel like it makes my teeth look too yellow or anything. It's just so pretty. Like, this with a black dress or black jumpsuit would look amazing. I think this is so pretty. It definitely is a matte lipstick, but it's a comfortable matte. Like, it reminds me almost of the Persona Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. Like, it dries down matte, but it doesn't dry down dry, I guess. Like, it still feels like it hydrates your lips a little bit, so I really, really appreciate that. The color is so cool. I've never tried a Dose of Colors lipstick before, but I definitely want to pick up more after this. I haven't worn it for like an extended period of time, so I can't like speak for the longevity of it, but I think that it's amazing. I can't wait to wear this like a night out, because, you know, I'm single now. I'm gonna try to go out and have a good time this summer, so I feel like that's just the perfect statement lipstick, and I'm so excited that I got to try it, and it's definitely one of my favorites from this box. Okay, and the last product in the box is from Mellow. Now, I don't know if this is Mellow Cosmetics, just Mellow, or like Mellow Makeup. It doesn't say, it just says Mellow, so I'm gonna just, this is just Mellow. So this is from Mellow. This is the brow definer. I got the shade Chocolate. It says, the non-greasy Easy Glide formula is your new Mellow Cosmetics. Oh, Mellow Cosmetics. Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about revolutionizing your brow game. The triangular tip makes it easy for hair-like strokes, and the long-lasting formula ensures your brows won't budge. This is $18. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I put this on one night after I got home from work just to test it out, and it was pretty bad. So it opens up like this. You have a spoolie and then you have this on the other side. First of all, this shade is way too dark for me. I don't know why they keep sending me medium products because my hair is light brown, but the triangular tip is okay. I find for me, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it on here, this is super, super waxy. Like, it feels like, even though I put it on the back of my hand, it just feels like I put wax there. It does have a good amount of pigment. It is way too dark for me, but it's just overly waxy, and I tried to fill in my brows, and the triangular tip is too big on this one. Like, I feel like doing triangular tips isn't necessarily bad, but this is quite large, and I feel like I couldn't get a precise brow look with it. Like, I overdrew my brows on accident. I was trying to blend it out. I was trying to clean it up, and it just didn't look good. It just looked like my brows were 100% wax, which I was just, you know, it's not the look I'm really going for. So I did not like this product at all, and I thought it'd be cool to try these like new indie brands, but this one really just missed the mark. It's not that good. A bunch of like cheaper brow pencils are a lot better than this one. So this was probably the only like not good product in the box. Everything else has like a, I feel pretty good about. This one just did not do it for me. So this is definitely a hard pass for me, but everything else in the box I liked, at least, you know? Okay, so that completes this video. That is everything I got in my box last month. That is the review of all the products. So, okay, so the reason I do these videos is because when I was deciding to get Boxycharm 2 years ago, I really watched a lot of the unboxing videos, but I felt like no one ever used the products that they got in their boxes. Like, it was just for the unboxing video, and I really wanted to, you know, I was curious on how the products worked. Like, when you're buying the subscription box, like, it's cool to get them, but it's even cooler to get products that you'll actually use. So that's why I do these videos. Like I said, I'm going to use the majority of the products in this box. It's really just this eyebrow pencil that is just not doing it for me. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!